An important aspect of identifying and creating a collaborative learning environment is to have one basic place where they can keep everything. What I did here is had my groups create a Google Doc. You'll notice up in the upper left hand corner it says Collaborative Research Group 2. Now there's a very vague name, but that's because they don't know exactly what their topic is going to be or anything yet when they do this. This is part of building it. So, and I would strongly suggest that you ask all of them to name it Collaborative Research and then Group 1, 2, 3, or however you identify your groups, because then it makes it so much easier for you to find them and to sort them when you have them inside your Google Doc or Google Drive. So you'll notice it says that it's Collaborative Research document for Team 2, and then here's basically their question: what communication tools do students prefer? They've identified their names. This is something you can check on to see what they've done. You have the 4 students and what their assignments are going to be. And down here you'll see that they've identified what the main ways are or methods are that they're going to be using for communicating. At this point they have this main writing tool, which is going to be the Google Doc. They're going to be using their Google Drive with a shared folder for sharing documents and files. And then they're going to be using Google Hangout for face-to-face talking. Then finally they came up with this topic, and they wanted to find out if there was a difference between the types of tools, communication tools, that students would prefer to use with personal versus school. I mean, maybe tweeting is something you only do when you're dealing with school. Maybe texting is something you do on a personal level. This is something they wanted to find out from their classmates. And then down here there's a place where they can start laying out their survey questions. But this is the organizer that they're going to be using to organize their ideas, their thoughts, and sometimes I've even seen them use it as a sense of a place where they can carry on a dialogue. At the end, they'll use this, and this will be, they'll refine it and then use this as the piece that holds connections to all the parts of their research. Well, I hope that this has been useful, and thank you very much.